We're here in Collegetown Center to take a look at studio apartment 619. Let's go on in. So this is an odd number studio apartment. We're on the north side of the building. So our kitchens will always be on the right side when we enter. You can see that refrigerator. There's the dishwasher under the sink, the microwave on the counter. We have our cabinets and drawers, and you can see the electric stove and oven at the end of the kitchen. Right across from the kitchen is our bathroom space. Let's go take a look. That's the same as we've seen in the other apartments here in the building. So we've got that standing tub shower with the sliding door, the vanity under the sink, and that does open for more storage space, the toilet, and you can see the cabinet pretty well on the wall here, and some racks for towels. As we go into the apartment, we'll pass by the closet on our right. We'll take a look at that. So we've got some good storage space for you in here. And let's go on in and see the rest of the apartment. So these studio apartments will always have that bookshelf, a full-size bed, a dresser, a desk and chair, and a dining table and chair. The furnishings will vary from apartment to apartment, but they will always be these items. As we go into the apartment, you can see we've got the air conditioner under the window. Over by the window, there's the heating unit. You want to keep that clear of any items in the winter so that your heat can flow freely in the winter months. And you can see we're on the Dryden Road side of the building, and we're pretty high up. This is the 6th floor, so we're in the top floor of this 6th floor elevator building. You can see Dryden Road. We've got some great people watching views, but again, high up above the street. That to our right is looking towards the east, and that is the main intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, which is the main intersection of our vibrant Collegetown neighborhood. And of course, from there, we're just 1 block to campus. You can move the furnishings around wherever you like within the apartments. So it's a good idea to see some of the different videos to see how different people have set up apartments. So here's a sample here. So again, we're in Collegetown Center 619. This is a studio apartment on the north side or Dryden Road side of the building on the top floor at Collegetown Center 151 Dryden Road here in central Collegetown, just 1 block from campus.